I am going to remove the old lock set and install the new Kwikset SmartCode 914. The old lock set has been removed. Now I am going to install the deadbolt first. So you can make it longer and shorter by turning it. Install screws. Make sure the deadbolt is installed in the center of the hole. Next, remove this part. Remove it. This part goes outside the door and insert it through the hole. Next, install this part. Installed these bolts over here. Tight it to the front plate. Now the outside part has been installed. It is connected to this plate with these two screws. Make sure the wire harness is through the hole over here. Make sure the deadbolt is moving freely with the key. Next is the internal part. Remove this one and take this part and install it on the door. Now connect the interior part to the door. First connect the cables, then install this part with the two small screws on the side, on the bottom side. Now connect this cable. Now connect this cable. Watch the arrow on the cables. It's connected. Now install it on this mounting plate. Now the bottom hole, install a screw on the left side and the right side. One on the left side too. Now I am going to teach the lock how to turn, in which direction to turn. By holding this lock key, I will be installing the battery from the other side over here. Now the lock set is going to learn how to turn, which direction it is going to turn. So in order to do that, I am going to hold the lock key over here and insert the battery pack over here. Now the installation is over, so you can put the faceplate on the door. It needs 3 screws, one on the left side, one on the right, and one on the bottom. Now the Kwikset door lock installation is over. It is connected to the Z-Wave. Today I will show you how to connect the Z-Wave to this Kwikset SmartCode 914. This lock set works from anywhere in the world through Z-Wave technology. To connect it to the Z-Wave, you need a Z-Wave hub. I do have a Samsung SmartThings hub, which I am using it for the Z-Wave technology. If you already have a hub or you have installed one, you need to connect the Z-Wave to the lock set. This is the part that goes inside the house, inside the door. Need to remove the faceplate and look carefully at the A button over here. When you try to connect the Z-Wave to the hub, it will ask you to push this A button. So once you push it, it will connect in a few seconds. After connecting this Kwikset to your hub, you can right away open and close the door from anywhere in the world.